Good morning, each and everyone, and ladies and gentlemen. My name is Busninia A. Zakaria, and now I'm going to talk about the body language. So first of all, body language refers to the nonverbal signal and cues that individuals use to communicate with others. Body language play a crucial role in a public speaking, as it significantly impacts how your message is received by the audience. So there are some of example of body language in a public speaking. Number one is nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication, including gesture, facial expression, posture, and eye contact, convey emotion and reinforces the spoken message. Number two is a confident and credibility. Confident and credibility, strong and confident body language such as standing tall and making eye contact enhance credibility and captive with the audience. So number three is engagement. Engagement is using open gesture and dynamic movement can help engage the audience and maintain their interest throughout the speech. So number four is emphasis and clarity. Emphasis and clarity strategies use of body language can emphasize key points, clarify complex ideas, and create a memorable impact on the listener. Number five, rapport building. Rapport building is mirroring the audience and expressing empathy through nonverbal cues can build rapport and establish a connection with the listener. So, for example, imagine a speaker delivering a motivational speech about the overcoming challenges. Instead of standing still and speaking monotonously, the speaker adapt open and confident. They make a gesture that illustrate a perseverance, strong eye contact to connect with the audience, and use dynamic movement to express passion and determination. So, this powerful body language not only reinforces the speaker message but also inspire and motivate the audience to believe in their ability to overcome obstacles. So once again, my name is Busnia A. Zakaria, and this is my presentation in our subject.